Hello everyone, welcome back again to this Kikuyu channel. I hope you had a break in between. I just sipped my cup of tea and now I'm ready to continue with this Kikuyu lesson with you guys. Thanks for joining me. We are going to continue from right where we left. Remember, I just taught you how to ask, how are you guys? How are you guys? Mohanatia. Mohanatia. Now, you answer this with a torega. Yes, we are fine. And remember, I told you a means yes. So you say a torega. Yes, we are fine. Tore, we are fine. Ega. A torega. Now, this form of question, this form of question has different versions of answering it. And one is, let's say for example, you can say, Totire naoru. Totire naoru, which is very common in Kikuyu language and mostly used. So I would prefer you guys to just answer this with Totire naoru, which means we are completely fine, no problem. There's nothing wrong with us. Like just saying Hakuna Matata. Remember, Hakuna Matata means nothing is wrong, everything is perfectly fine. So this is the same version of answering that, just in another language, which is Kikuyu, and that means, or is said, Totire naoru. Now, another version of answering this, Mohanatia, is Totire naoru. Totire naoru. Oru. Totire naoru. Nothing is wrong with us. Or everything is fine. Totire naoru. Oru means, okay, oru is something bad. Now, this is just like saying there's nothing bad with us. We are completely fine, which is said, Totire naoru. How are you? Mohanatea. Totire naoru. We have nothing wrong. We are completely fine. Totire naoru. Totire, we don't have. Totire, how we don't have. Naoru, which means nothing bad. Anything bad, nothing. Completely nothing. That means we are fine. Mohanatea. Totire naoru. We are fine. You can even answer this in a different version. Another version of answering this question, Mohanatea, or how are you guys, is saying Torega, which is also very simple, and I would highly recommend you guys to use it even in your communication. Now, this is how you write it. Torega, Torega. We are fine. We are fine. Torega, Mohanatia. How are you guys? Torega, we are fine. Tore, meaning plural. Ega, fine. We said ega means fine. Wega means fine also. Now, like you have seen, there are very many versions of answering how are you. Totire naoru. Torega, Toriega. So, now, I'm going to go one step back and teach you how we say good night. Now, good night. We say it otuko mwega. Otuko mwega. Otuko means night. Night. Mwega, nice or fine. Good night. Otuko mwega. Good night. Otuko mwega. Or you can say koma thayo. Koma thayo. Koma thayo. Which also can be directly translated to have a peaceful night. Oops, sorry. Koma thayo. Good night. Otuko mwega. Koma thayo. Have a peaceful night. Or just the same as otuko mwega or koma thayo, which means in general good night. Now we are going to go to something different, and this is something like, okay, we're going to learn something different, which means how we say have a nice day. Have a nice day. Motigetide wega. Motigetide wega. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Motigetide wega. Motigetide wega. Motigetide wega. You can even say motigetide wega. Motigetide wega, which means motigetide. This is when you are referring to a group of people. That's when you say moti, mo, which is multi, a group. Getidie, stay. Wega, fine, nice. Wega, nice. Have a nice day. You can even say when you are when you only want to be very specific to one person, you can tell one person tida wega. Tida wega. Singular. One person. Tida wega. Have a nice day. When you are referring to one person. Let's say, for example, you want to tell me, have a nice day. Tida wega. And when we are a group of people, you can say, motigetide wega. Or you can say, tidai wega. Tidai wega. Stay, which means having. Tidai wega. Tida wega. Tida is like stay or have. Have a nice day. Wega, we already said, means nice, fine. Yeah. Wega is always something nice. Something really perfect. You know, just something to, something great. Wega, nice, fine. Tida wega, referring only to one person. Motigetidewega, referring to a group of people. Now, if you want to answer this, let's say you tell me Tidawega. Of course, I'll say thank you. The same to you, or likewise, or same. Now, this is how you answer it. Thank you. Onawe. Tagwo. Thanks. You too. Thanks. You too. Have a nice day. Tidawega. Thank you. Onawe tagwo. Thanks. You too. Thanks. You too. Thanks, which means thank you. Onawe. You too. Tagwo. Same. Thanks. You too. Thank you. Onawe tagwo. Thank you. Onawe tagwo. Thanks. You too. Thanks. You too. Okay. Now, let's say for example you want to ask, how have the kids been? You know, when you leave the house, or when the father of the house leaves and go to work, comes back, he most probably wants to know, how have you all been? How was the day? How have the kids been? Now, let's start with asking, how are the kids? Or how are the kids? Now, this is how you ask. This is how you ask. How are the kids? Or how have the kids been? Or how did the kids spend the day? Let's use that. How did the kids spend the day? Shiana shia tida atia. Shiana shia tida atia. Shiana, kids, shia tida. How did they spend atia? How did the kids spend the day? How did the kids spend the day? Sorry. Shiana means kids. Shiatida atia. Shiana shiatida atia. How did the kids spend the day? Now, if you want to answer this, you can say Shiana shiatida wega. Shiana shiatida wega, which we said means fine, good, well. Shiana shiatida wega. The kids Shiana shiatida wega. The kids had a nice day. Shiana shiatida atia. How did the kids spend the day? The kids had a nice day. Shiana shiatida wega. Shiana means kids. Shiatida, how they spent. Wega means fine or well or good. Now, let's say, for example, you want to generalize and say, how did you all spend the day? Or how did you, specifically you, how did you spend the day? This is how you say. Wati datia. Wati datia. Wati da atia. How did you spend the day? How did you spend the day? Wati datia. How did you spend the day? Wati datia. If you want to answer this, you say dati da wega. I spent the day well. Datida, datida. Wega, datida, wega. I had a nice day. Or I spent, my day was fine. Or I had a nice day. Wati datea. How did you spend the day? Dati da wega. I had a nice day. I had a nice day. Datida, me, datida, wega, fine. I had a nice day. Now, we are going to go on something else. Something that we have also done somewhere around here. And this is when you ask somebody, are you okay? Or do you have any problems? Or are you fine? You can say, wena oru. Wena oru. Or let's say, for example, you want to say, to tell somebody or ask, any problems? You can say, wena oru. Wena oru. Any problems? Any problems? Any problems, please? Wena oru. Wena oru. Oru. Wena oru. Any problems? Or maybe you want to ask somebody, are you feeling okay? Are you feeling okay? We nyure igwa wega. Nyure igwa wega. Or you can say, we mwega. We mwega. Or you can even say, wena oru. Wena oru. Any problems? Any problems, please? Wena oru. You can answer this with no. I have no problems. Asha dire na oru. Asha dire na oru. No, I'm fine. Or no problem. Asha dire na oru. Dire, Asha. Asha means no. Asha means no. No. Asha, we say here, when you say yes, you say eh. Now, when you want to say no, you say Asha. Asha, dire na oru. Asha, dire na oru. Or you can even answer that and say, Asha, de mwega. Asha, nidire igwa wega. You know, for example, when you want to tell, you know, when somebody has been sick and has not been really feeling good, and somebody can answer this and say, Asha, nidire igwa wega. That's meaning, yes, I'm feeling better. Asha, nidire igwa wega. Or you can say, Asha, dire na oru. I think this is the simplest this is the simplest form that you can learn in this basic lesson. Now, problems, please? Wena Asha, no. I'm fine. Asha, dire naoru. Dire, I don't have. Naoru, problems. Asha, no. Dire, I don't have. Naoru, problems. No, I'm fine. Asha, dire naoru. No, I'm fine. No, no problems. No problems at all. I'm fine. De mwega, I'm fine. De mwega, you can even answer this with I'm fine. We naoru. De mwega or Asha, dire naoru. Asha, dire naoru. Now, our last word for this lesson is when somebody is sick and you want to wish that particular person a quick recovery, or you want to wish them to get well soon or to get better as soon as possible. So this is how you say it. Nidira kwedera wega. Nidira kwedera wega. Or you can tell them hona ihenya. Hona ihenya. Now, quick recovery. Hona, hona, ihenya. Hona ihenya. Which means get well soon or quick recovery. Hona means healing. Hona means healing. Ihenya is the quick process. You see, you say quick recovery. Hona wega. Or you can say nidira kwedera wega. Nidira de ra kwe dera wega. I'm wishing you well. I'm wishing you well. Nidira kwedera wega. Hona ihenya. Quick recovery. Hona ihenya. Hona means heal. Ihenya, quick. Quick, the process of healing, which somebody wishes the person who is sick to be quicker. Or you can use the second version, which means Nedera kwedera, I am wishing you well. Nedera kwedera wega. We said wega or mwega or ega means fine, nice. So you see, it keeps repeating itself everywhere. Hona wega. I'm wishing you well. Quick recovery. Hona ihenya. Nidira kwedera wega. Nidira kwedera wega. Ne means me. Nidira kwedera, that act of wishing. Wega means I'm wishing you well. You can reply this and say thank you, which we said means thank you, which is thank you, thank you. Now, this is the end of our lesson tonight. It has been a long lesson. There's a lot to be learned, and I'm very much hoping you are also learning with me, because we are not going to give up. what we're going to do is to continue practicing every word, every sentence until we are able to communicate with our fellow Kikuyu people outside there. I always appreciate everyone who is outside there, very much interested to learn Kikuyu. I always, you know, it's amazing to hear and to know that there are people who are ready to learn languages from other people, and it just makes me happy. Without wasting much time, I want to cut this video right here with the hopes that everything that we have right here is going to be understood and even put into practice. I'm wishing you all a good night and a happy evening.